Hey, nice to see you again and welcome to the CrocFix channel. We have here an Honor 70 phone and the problem is the phone is locked. So if you also forgot the PIN number, the password or the pattern here to draw and you can't use the phone, then follow my video here and I will show you how to make it useful again, okay? So you will just need some basic procedures and that should be then okay. After this procedure, everything on the phone will be deleted and your phone will be like brand new and you will need to know your Gmail account and your password to activate it. Otherwise you can't use it. If you don't know your Gmail and password, then you have another issue and it can't be solved with this problem. So use this only if you know your Gmail and password, okay? So now, firstly we need to power off the phone and we are going to click the power button and hold it here. Okay, now you click on power off and confirm with power off. So once the phone is powered off, we will need a key combination. But firstly I would like to say that I put a really lot of effort and time in these videos, so it would really appreciate if you could make a comment or maybe say thank you or just make something or But at first I would like to say that I put really a lot of time and effort in these videos to help you guys. If I could help you, please write thank you, it did work, or if you can make a donation, I would be also really happy. This would support my channel. Thank you. So let's go now to the unlock. So now, while your phone is powered off, be sure it's charged more than 50% and then you do following. We will press these key combinations here. You see we have here the power button and the volume up and volume down button. So this button here, this one button, is like two buttons. If you press it up, it's volume up, this is volume down, and this is the power button. So we are going to press together the volume up and the power button and hold these two buttons until we see the Honor logo here. Okay? And once the Honor logo will disappear, then we release the power button and also the volume up button. So firstly we press both buttons together, hold, still hold, still hold. Now you release the power button, still keep holding the volume up button, still keep holding the volume up button, still keep holding it, still keep holding, still, and now you release the volume up button. So now we are in the recovery menu. So now what we need to do is we go to clear data. This will erase everything. We click on that and then you need to click on factory reset. So confirm on factory reset. Now you need to type in the word yes. And again you click on factory reset. So this will erase all the phone and also the screen lock. You will have the option after this to unlock your phone with your Gmail and password. So just let the phone do till it comes to 100%. Okay, now we click on back and on restart. I will speed up the video now a little bit. You need to wait a little bit of minutes. So this is it. Now we are in the main menu. Just follow the on-screen instructions here and make your phone useful again. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you, and if you will donate, thank you so much in advance. See you in the next video. Your CrocFix.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description.
Here on my channel just click on more and then you have here the donation link.
Please also like, comment and share the video. and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.